Howdy, everybody. We're on the next step of the build. We're getting ready to rebuild the carburetors. As you can see, I'm sitting here on the workbench. I'm going to help Lisa do it. She's going to do a majority of it. So, if y'all want to just follow along, we got a little update. We got a bunch of parts. So we still got a bunch of parts to order, but we got a bunch of parts to good enough to get us started. So right now, gonna get the carburetors rebuilt. We got total rebuild kit for both carburetors. So we'll start on one side and work our way around. So yeah. All right, there we go. Now remember, you gotta hold that down because it's spring loaded.
My cat-like reflexes.
Cat-like reflexes. And keep those someplace close. Here, let me get this hook out of the way before somebody catches an ear.
Mm-hmm. Better get out of town. I already hit you once.
They don't want to admit that on video. Now I got evidence
Yeah.
of the abuse.
You sure?
Okay, all that stuff's got to come out.
I think they sent new of that.
All of it's in there. Yep. So you gotta. We will save some of those parts. Now, before we get into that, before we get to putting new parts in, gotta get some parts cleaned up there. Okay. Now, hold that for a second. I'm gonna take this out here. We're gonna step right over here and clean this up. Real good.
It's from all those years. It's probably never been rebuilt. Watch your eyes.
Like that. White down in there real good. Take her out. Wipe all the surfaces off. Oh, right in the face.
I told you to watch it.
Right in the face. Now, do you remember what parts you took out?
Yes.
Okay, that's what you need to put back in.
He's
You're
silly.
gonna need a needle valve. You're gonna need that. What's that little thing? Oh, man. That stuff tastes nasty. That's a drawback of working with your tongue hanging out. Nah.
think that goes there.
Total?
That washer.
That little rubber O-ring?
Yeah,
Well, best way to figure that out is, where'd you do the old one?
right there.
Okay, take it.
Nope.
Nope.
Oh, there's a little spring.
Yep, that little spring goes in the, on there.
This one?
Yep, looks like it. Slides up on there. Did it click on?
Yep.
Okay, it's not gonna fall off now.
Nope.
Alright.
So this
Well, this
O-ring needs to come off of there.
Yep, that O-ring needs to come off.
Why are you putting that old one on?
That's not the old one, that's the new one, I think.
Why? This is the new
That's
one.
the new one. Okay, my bad, my bad. Where's the pocket pliers? Hold on. Okay, get your little scrawny fingers in there then.
Oops.
I'm keeping these jets. What happened?
The spring came off.
Yeah, it didn't click on.
Yes, it did.
Okay. Need this. Did I got a Phillips head screw in the top of it?
Yep.
Good. We'll be keeping these.
No.
I didn't think so.
Get it.
Heck. Why won't you turn?
Let me see.
Total?
The spring come off again.
Yeah. There's no other springs in there? Yeah, give me the bigger one. I think that might, I don't know. I knew that's not it.
See if that spring will work off of that one.
This spring here is a lot stiffer.
That's this one.
No. Come on.
We'll try that one.
I'm going to. Hold that, please. It's not fitting on there very well, is it? I think that's the one that goes on there. Pliers too wide. Hold that.
Let me try.
Okay. May I make a suggestion?
What?
Here, hold on. Dump it out. Dump that out. Okay. Is the spring still on it?
No, the spring's not even in there.
Just on the back of that one.
Oh.
Here. Now line it up. Like so. And there we go. Voila. That one's done.
Okay.
Okay. Now, that goes back down in there. You gotta make sure, you gotta pick it up.
No.
What?
Oh, never mind.
You gotta pick it up. Make sure you're lined up with the hole, your needle valve. You are.
I think it's too big.
No, it's not. You just gotta go in there square, that's all. We gotta roll this down. Something. Oh, now, one up there. There it goes. Okay. Now this goes right there. See, this is a pain in the butt. Right there. How in the world?
That one looks bigger than that one.
I'm not sure how to get that to stay down there.
Oh, that's what I asked, if you needed anything to put on there. Let me see.
It's not going to stay in there because there's nothing to hold it down.
Stick the spring in.
Where's the spring?
There it is.
Okay, just hold on to it.
It's fine. It's in there.
Okay. Make sure you don't pinch it or rip it. Did you line your little holes up?
Yep.
Where's the other one?
Other what?
Oh, you got them started. Okay. Yeah, don't tighten those down till you get them all started. There you go. There's a little smaller screwdriver. Just snug them, don't go crazy with it.
Alright, there's one side.
Turn it over. Nope, we're going to do one carburetor at a time. Turn it over. Take that off.
So those stacks, will they fit in there?
Yeah. Yeah, they'll fit in there. What goes on there? What hooked on to there?
That hose.
No, it didn't. This comes out, this is the overflow for the radiator. It doesn't hook into the
Oh,
carburetor.
that hooks in over here. Or back. I think. No, this one goes here.
And that one there goes there. Which I definitely need a new hose for it.
And there's one that goes from here to somewhere. Maybe this one.
This one. That's going to the motor there. That. This, I think, has to be turned. I think. That's easy to find. To figure out. Oh dear.
Yeah, it definitely feels like your side is not in.
Well, so that's the carburetor rebuild and install. We still got a lot of stuff to hook up, but basically get the point. So that's, I'd say this video is probably long enough. It's probably really long. It's probably way too long. So anyway.
I'll have to edit it.
Anyway, that's this week's video. Hope you guys watch them. If you don't, that's okay. This is a documentary for us. Our adventure together is working on her bike. So, guys, can't say it enough. Make sure you get out, find you an adventure, go on it, have fun, experience new things. It's great. So, till next time, see y'all later.